I'm Dorothy from Let's Eat Malaysian. I'm in my daughter's kitchen today and I'm going to make a bitter gourd dish. Yes, I'm doing a bitter gourd recipe. This is a small bitter gourd, the smallest I could find. And I'm using 4 cloves of garlic and 5 very nice large banana prawns. Okay, first of all, we'll cut this bitter gourd. Cut in the center. And discard the seeds, so I'm going to just use a spoon. Just scrape out the seeds. You don't want the white spongy part and the seeds. See? Thin. Okay? So I'm adding a small brown onion to the bitter gourd to bulk it up. There's not much here, see? So, also give it flavor. Love onions. So, I'm cutting these into small wedges. I'm going to coarsely chop the garlic. What I've done, I've sliced it first and then now I'm going to chop it up. You don't have to have it too fine. No? Look at this beautiful prawn. Wow, that's a big one, isn't it? That's a beauty. So I'm trying to keep as much of that head part. It's that flavor that comes out of the head. Okay, so you have to devein so that you won't get the grit. So we're going to devein it first. Okay, so now I'm going to just halve them and cut them into bigger bits. Halve them first. Just a bit of sugar. Chinese cooking, we always have a bit of sugar in our dishes. It helps to balance the salt. So, using small fire, low, okay. Let it heat up a bit. Now I've used a bit, 1/5 of a prawn stock into the garlic. Put in my garlic. And the prawn stock together. Yeah. Fry till you can smell the garlic, it's fragrant. Put a dollop of ginger. Okay. Put your prawn. Now this fermented bean paste, it's salty, soybean paste. I'll put about a teaspoon. This is salty stuff. Okay. There goes in your bitter gourd. Now it will take a bit more sugar because of the bitterness. So just put about probably about an eighth. This dish is a quiet taste because a lot of people don't like bitter food. Not really that salty, not really that sweet. So